Hi, good afternoon. Let me show you this beautiful and spacious two-bedroom apartment in JVC for rent. On your right side as you enter is your open plan kitchen, just recently vacated. Space for the fridge, space for the cooker, for the washing, lots of storage available. And here is your spacious living area. So got a balcony here. Some small storage space here as well. Your guest toilet. This is your first bedroom with attached bathroom. And access to the balcony as well. 4-door huge wardrobe. And here is your master room. It's more than a decent size, a private balcony. And your 6-door huge wardrobe.